today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new GitHub configuration. Whether you're starting a new project or fine-tuning an existing repository, configuring your GitHub settings properly can make a huge difference. So let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, make sure you're on your GitHub repository's main page. From here, you'll want to head over to the Settings tab. You'll find this button located towards the right side of your screen. Once you click it, you'll be taken to the GitHub repository settings page, where all the magic happens. Upon entering the settings, you'll land on the General Settings page. This is where you can tailor your repository's basic features to fit your needs. You have control here to modify the name and description of your repository, which is especially important to ensure clarity and understanding for anyone visiting your page. Additionally, don't forget to set the visibility settings. Depending on whether you want to keep the project private or open it up to the public, you can choose accordingly. You'll also have options to enable or disable features like Issues, Wiki, and the Discussions tab based on what suits your project best. As you scroll down, you'll find the Pull Requests section, where you can select your preferred merge options, like whether to allow squash merging, rebase merging, or adding merge commits. One handy feature is the option to automatically delete head branches after pull requests are merged, which helps keep your repository clean and organized. Once you've made all your desired changes, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to ensure everything is applied. Next up, we'll set branch protection rules, which is crucial for maintaining code quality and process control. Start by clicking Branches in the left sidebar. On this page, you'll see an option to Add Branch Protection Rule. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter the branch name you aim to protect, like main for instance. You can then select the rules you want to enforce, such as requiring pull request reviews before merging or enforcing certain status checks. Once you've set your rules, simply click Create to lock it in. Moving forward, let's talk about adding collaborators to your repository. Find and click the Collaborators and Teams section in the left sidebar. Then click Add People to invite new collaborators. Simply search for their username or email address to add them. You'll also need to specify their level of permission, such as read, write, or admin access, ensuring they have the appropriate level to contribute effectively. After setting the permissions, click Add to finalize the process. Finally, it's time to add secrets to secure sensitive information, such as tokens and keys. Navigate to Secrets and Variables underneath the Actions section in the left sidebar. Here, click New Repository Secret. Now you'll enter the name of the secret and its corresponding value. Once done, click Add Secret to securely save this information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have effectively configured your GitHub repository. I hope this guide empowers you to manage and structure your GitHub projects with greater ease and efficiency.